Hello, online crew. Mr. Pratt here with your week 2 introduction to the module. A couple things I wanted to recap with you from week 1. You learned a little bit about the technological design process and how it can be used, who uses it, and why we use it. So you can see the benefits to using that process here in this class as we begin your research into your own problem and coming up with a solution. So last week you had an opportunity to define a problem in your life that's clearly something that could be solved or fixed during the course of the marking period here together. So this week what we're going to do is we're going to be looking at how do we really, nail down the specifics to that problem. So you might have given a brief explanation as to what that problem was in last week's module assignments. Now we're going to get into the specifics and some of the research we can collect from our tools that we have available. So this week in the assignment for the module, you have a couple readings, things to look at. So the first one is an article on how to define a problem. Once you have gone through that, you're going to actually develop your own design brief for this project, and we're going to be using some of the information we get from our classmates, using a discussion board on research, and then also the example that I provide you in the resources section of Module 2. Once we've done that, we're going to take that information and we're going to continue to do some of our own digging and our research in the different types of research assignments. So there's 4 different types you're going to learn about here in this class. And then we're going to take all that information and begin our actual design process presentation in part 2 of this overall cumulative assignment that you have going on. So we've defined the problem, we're getting the specifications. Now we're going to take all that into consideration in our research leading into week 3's module. And then of course at the end of the week, don't forget that there's a self-check quiz on collecting research. So definitely take a look at the readings for this week as they're going to correlate with the quiz for the week. If you have any questions about anything for the week 2 module, feel free to send me a Schoology message, and if need be, we can set up a Zoom or something else of that nature, or touch base face-to-face. I'd like to hear from you. So hope you all have a great week. Look forward to seeing your assignments, and don't forget due dates are posted in the module folder.